Hi, this is the full conceal perspective. The question regarding how do you operate a full conceal M3S pistol. So here's that M3S pistol. It's based off of the Glock 43. It's going to come with the magazines. The initial magazines that were shipped were 8 rounds, but we have 10 rounds coming out. They're going to be very similar. They're just going to be longer than 10 rounds. That'll be out Q1 of 2019. So look for that. The operation, though, is very similar to the M3D pistol. You just press the latch back here. And so it clicks right in, but you just press it to release it, fold it down. Now this magazine, I'm going to press the mag release just to slide it past because it will catch here. It will catch right here, but you want to press it, open it up a little bit, press it. Once it's in, then you can push it in, and that will connect it right there. That just helps retain it. It helps retain that rectangular shape from there. And the deployment is just unlatching it, and you're ready to go. That's right.